for some organisations, they've got the basic compliance right. Well, how do you take it to the next level to actually build effective capability and leading due diligence within organisations? So a few examples here is really getting your officers to self-reflect on their own leadership capability, particularly around how they're demonstrating leadership around the subject of psychosocial health and safety. Already we're saying 75% of people on the call are saying that their officers are documented in some sort of list and maintained. The next question to ask yourself, well, are they actually trained, and are they actually aware of their own obligations around this as well, and tracking to make sure that's in place. Understanding roles around who actually owns psychosocial risk at different levels of the organisation, and often that forms part of a broader risk appetite statement for boards, and ensuring that psychosocial actually sits within that psychosocial the risk appetite statement, and there's a clear tolerance for what boards and organisations are willing to accept and not around this topic. And then incentivising boards so they are, and senior leaders, so they are, I guess, demonstrating the behaviours that are desired. So some of those incentives could be recognition, don't necessarily need to be a reward. Often there's unintended consequences of providing monetary bonuses around various activities, as opposed to recognising different people in the organisation around the behaviours that you want to see. And then lastly, having some sort of method to verify that the controls in place are not only available but also effective as well.